is a fantastic tool for color exploration and design. Follow these steps to check and enhance color contrast. Visit Coolers at coolers.co. Locate the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to access additional options. Look for the Contrast Check feature and click on it. Enter the code or values of your desired colors. Coolers will analyze the colors and provide information about their contrast. Use this information to assess the readability and accessibility of your color combination. Additionally, Coolers may offer suggestions to enhance your colors for better contrast. Remember to prioritize accessibility and ensure your color choices meet the needs of diverse users. Coolers is a valuable tool for achieving visually appealing and inclusive designs.